Hello friends! Welcome to our alphabet puzzle adventure. Today we're going to put together a super fun jigsaw puzzle with all the letters of the alphabet. Each puzzle piece has a letter and a picture of something that starts with that letter. Let's put this puzzle together and explore the alphabet one piece at a time. Ready? Let's go! Here's our first letter of the alphabet, letter A. A says ah, ah. Can you say it with me? Ah, ah. And look, we have an ape. Ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ah, ah. Can you pretend to be an ape with me? Ooh, ah, ah. Great job. This is the letter B. B says ba, ba. Can you try that? Ba, ba. And here's a boy. Hello, Mr. Boy. Everyone wave and say hi. Say hi, boy. Can you say it too? Excellent. You guys are doing amazing. This is the letter C. C says ka, ka. Let's say it together. Ka, ka. And look, it's a candy. Yum! Who likes a candy? Raise your hand. Do you have a favorite kind of candy? 'Cause I know I do. Wonderful! This is the letter D. D says D, D. Can you say that? D, D. And we have a drum. Let's pretend to play the drum. Boom, boom, boom. Great job drumming, everyone. Here's the letter E. E says eh, eh. Say it with me. Eh, eh. And here's an envelope. What's inside the envelope? A secret message. Maybe it says, "You're amazing." And yes, you are. You guys are all amazing. Here's the letter F. F says F, F. Can you say it with me? F, F. And here's our friend the frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Let's hop like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Good job, little froggies. Let's fit this puzzle piece right here. This is the letter G. G says G, G. Let's try it together. G, G. And here are some glasses. Now I can see everything. Do you have pretend glasses? Put them on with me. Do you see better too with your glasses? Wonderful! This is the letter H. H says ha, ha. Can you say it with me? Ha, ha. And this is a house. Let's knock on the door. Knock, knock, knock. Who's home? Excellent job, you guys. This is the letter I. I says I, I. Can you say it with me? I, I. Here's an iron. Look, we're smoothing out all the wrinkles. Can you pretend to iron with me? Swoosh, swoosh. This is the letter J. J says J, J. Let's say it together. J, J. And look, it's a jacket. It's getting chilly. Let's put on our jacket together. Zip. Nice and warm. This is the letter K. K says K, K. Let's say it together. K, K. And here's a key. Let's use our key to open a door. Turn, turn, and click. This is the letter L. L says L, L. Can you say it with me? L, L. And look, it's a lamp. Let's turn on our lamp. Click. Now it's nice and bright. Can you pretend to switch on a lamp with me? Bright and shiny. This is the letter M. M says M, M. Let's say it together. M, M. And here's a mirror. Let's look in the mirror. What do you see? Oh, it's you. Make a funny face with me. Silly face. Look at that smile. This is the letter N. N says N, N. Can you say it with me? N, N. And here's a necklace. Let's put on our pretend necklace. Now we look fancy. Can you pretend to put on a necklace too? Wow, beautiful! This is the letter O. O says ah, ah. Can you say it with me? Ah, ah. And look, it's an onion. Onions are so useful for cooking, but sometimes they make our eyes water when we cut them. Can you pretend to cut an onion with me? Snip, snip. Oh no, I think I feel a tear coming. This is the letter P. P says P, P. Let's say it together. P, P. And here's a pigeon. Can you flap your wings like a pigeon? Cuckoo. Look, we're flying. This is the letter Q. Q says qua, qua. Can you say it with me? Qua, qua. And here's a queen. Hello, Your Majesty. Let's all wave like we are queen and kings. Royal wave. Excellent job, you guys. This is the letter R. R says R, R. Can you say it with me? R, R. And look, it's a robot. Let's all be robots. Beep, beep, boop. Move your arms like this. Beep, boop. Great job, little robots. This is the letter S. S says S, S. Can you say it with me? Just like a snake. And here's a sailor. Ahoy, Captain! Can you salute like a sailor with me? This is the letter T. T says ta, ta. Let's say it together. Ta, ta. And here's a tent. Who wants to go camping? Let's pretend we're in a tent. Shh! It's so cozy. This is the letter U. U says ah, Ah. Let's say it together. Ah. Ah. And here is an umbrella. Uh-oh, I think it's starting to rain. Quick, let's open our umbrellas. Phew, now we're nice and dry. Can you pretend to hold an umbrella too? This is the letter V. V says V. V. Try saying it together. V. V. And look, it's a vegetable. Yum! Vegetables are so good for us. What's your favorite vegetable? Let's crunch, crunch, crunch. This is the letter W. W says W. W. Can you say it with me? W. W. And look, it's a watch. Tick-tock, tick-tock. It's time to play. What time is it? Let's pretend we're all wearing watches. Can you show me your watch? Tick-tock. Time to have fun. This is the letter X. X says X. X. Can you say it with me? X. X. And here's a xylophone. Let's play a pretend xylophone. Ding, ding, ding. What a great sound. This is the letter Y. Y says Y, Y. Let's say it together. Y, Y. And here's a yo-yo. Wow! It goes up and down, up and down. Can you pretend to play with a yo-yo? Excellent! This is the last letter of the alphabet, letter Z. Z says Z, Z, just like a buzzing bee. Can you say it with me? Z, Z. And look, it's a zebra. Let's gallop like a zebra. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Wow, friends, we did it! We finished our alphabet puzzle and learned so many fun letters and sounds. You all did an amazing job today. Give yourselves a big clap. Thanks for watching and see you next time.